What's going on, guys? My name is Ben and welcome back to another video. Today I am back at ReddiWraps, but it's not for any additional wrap work. ReddiWraps also own ReddiDetail. So today Luke is going to be detailing the black half of my car, the paint, to remove any swirls, which in this lighting inside the workshop is quite noticeable, and there is quite a big scratch where I cleaned off some bird poo on the bonnet, which he's going to remove. So I'm quite excited to see how the car is going to look. The black is going to pop, the metallic is going to really shine out in the sun, and also today we will be putting on some of the sponsorship details and the companies onto the car, so I cannot wait to see how this is going to look. So the car is prepped and inside the workshop. Luke has just done this kind of test piece on the bonnet. As you can see, there's the line where the masking tape was. I just want to show you the difference between, if it picks up on camera, the swirl marks on this side and then how it goes nice and clear on this side. You see that? It is a massive difference, and looking at the paint already you can see the kind of the greens and the purples metallic within the paint, which definitely didn't pop as much as this. As you can kind of see, I'm trying to bounce the light off it more. As you can see, the change is completely so much better. So much clearer on this side. Swirls galore on this side. And this is the big bird poo scratch I mentioned in the intro. Can't wait for that to disappear. That's quite bad, actually. Luke is absolutely smashing the paint. It looks so much better. The metallic flake just pops so much more. I cannot wait to see it out in the sun. We're seeing some green and purples within the metallic paint, whereas before with all the scratches it looked like just a boring flat black, really. Progress update. He has done the bonnet, the passenger side wing, the door and the roof. We just have the driver's side left to do, and then he's going to go over the whole thing in kind of a finer compound just to remove some of the finer hairline scratches that are left behind. But I am incredibly pleased with how it's looking. Once that is done, we will then get the sponsorship stickers on the car, which will then make it look kind of like a Gumball car. It's kind of a coincidence I'm wearing my Gumball jacket today, but I am, and I cannot wait to see how it's going to look. So the car is now complete and polished up. All the swirl marks are removed, and I cannot get over the results and how glossy the paint looked. The final stage was that Luke went across the whole car in a kind of refinement layer just to remove any sort of finer scratches that was left by the compound, and the car just looks absolutely stunning. As you can see in the light, the paint looks incredibly crisp and clean, and that kind of the bird poo left scratches there, that's all gone now, no trace of that, and the reflection in the doors is very nice. This car's really going to pop in the sun. You can see the kind of the green and the purples and the pinks in the metallic, which looks very nice. We've just placed out all the sponsorship logos, so Sean's just gonna lay them now and get them on the car. But it's looking very glossy, and it's going to stay like this thanks to the special coating that Luke is about to put over once the stickers are in place. There we have it then, guys. The car is now complete and fully stickered up, ready for the Euro trip. It looks so good. The paint is sparkling away and the stickers just look so much better than I could ever have thought they would have. Let's walk around the car and give you an idea of how it looks. So as you can see, the car is incredibly glossy. Luke has done an amazing job at that. And if you remember, there was a pretty big bad scratch here caused by a bird poo, and I wiped it off and scratched the paint. He's managed to get rid of it, and the reflection is nice and clear. You can see the colours in the metallic. I've got my sponsors on the bonnet, and of course the ReddiWrap's one, which was already there. RB.co.uk, nicely placed within the parking sensor there, and Zeus chargers on the side with their web address. And I'm blown away by the reflections on this car now. It is incredibly glossy. They even done the roof. I don't think the roof has ever been touched. I know I definitely didn't touch it. Another RB one down there. And then of course my Instagram and YouTube handles on the back, which look very good. Back at home then, and once again a massive thank you goes to Sean and Luke over at ReddiWraps and ReddiDetail. The work they have done on my car has simply blown my mind. It has exceeded all my expectations. If you are after some car customization work, from vehicle wraps to sun strips, tints, alloy wheel refurbs and caliper changes, things like that, then do make sure you hit up ReddiWraps and use my code BEN10 for 10% off the bill. But that is it from me, guys. Oh wait, before I mention that, it is now only a week, I believe, a couple of days until my Euro trip, which begins on the 8th of April. If you'd like to get involved, then I will leave a link to the GoFundMe page down below. So far, quite a few people have donated, and I really appreciate it. I want to say thank you to those who have. If you donate as little as a £5, you will get your Instagram name on the car, which will look really good. I can't wait. I've got a few to go on there. So that GoFundMe page is now only open for a couple of days, as we are very close to the trip. But now that is it from me, guys. If you have liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on any of the adventures that are coming up for this year's road trip. I am so excited and I cannot wait to share the content with you guys. Thanks for watching.